Hey there tech enthusiasts, get ready for some groundbreaking news as Motorola takes the smartphone world by storm once again. Just when you thought foldable phones could not get any better, Motorola is about to flip the script. In a tweet that lasted a mere 6 seconds, Motorola has set the tech community abuzz with excitement. On June 1st, they will unveil not just one but two brand new Razr handsets. And trust me, they are game changers. Let's start with the premium offering, the Motorola Razr 40 Ultra. Brace yourself for an unrivaled experience. This foldable masterpiece boasts an impressive large quick view external display, flagship specification and Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 chipset. It is a luxury innovation. But Motorola does not stop there. For those seeking affordability without compromising on quality, they have got you covered with Motorola Razr 40. While it may have a smaller quick view external display, it still promises an incredible foldable experience at a more budget-friendly price. Now let's dive into the jaw-dropping specification. The premium Motorola Razr 40 Ultra is rumored to feature a stunning 6.7 inches AMOLED display with a full HD plus resolution and a refresh rate that could reach up to 120Hz or 144Hz. Under the hood, you will find the powerful Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 chipset delivering amazing performance. Oh, and we can't forget about the cameras, the dual camera array featuring a 12 megapixel Sony IMX563 image sensor and a 13 megapixel ultra-wide lens that will capture your memories in stunning detail. Battery life won't be an issue either thanks to the 3600 mAh battery supporting 33-watt fast charging. But what about availability? Great news for our US viewers. Unlike last year's model, the 2023 Razr series will be offered right there in United States. It is safe to say that Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 4 and Z Flip 5 are in some competition in this year. The battle of the folds is about to heat up. But we also reviewed Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 5 as well. You can check out that video as well. And at the last, don't forget to press the like and subscribe button.